Just a little fucking mental breakdown there.
Christmas spirit.
Christmas spirit. What are we doing today?
We're doing Christmas decorations. Can you look and see how beautifully I set everything up? Just me.
Just you, no one else.
I've already unleashed my Christmas crafting spirit. I am leagues ahead of you.
You're leagues ahead of me, baby.
So, we are making Christmas ornaments! Christmas! Christmas! The season seems to be making you unseasonably violent.
I am always unseasonably violent.
I did this one already. Look at this one. This is not working out very well so far. I'm trying to get snow in my globe. Hey, there we go. Little snow globe.
I am like making a lot of headway with this braid.
Yeah? All 4 inches.
Hey, you can do a lot with 4 inches.
Do you want me to help you?
No, you had your chance.
I'm trying to be nice.
You had your chance to be charitable and nice.
Did you know when I was a little girl and my mom was taking flying lessons, I used to ask her, can you please bring back some clouds for me? When you're up in the sky, will you grab some clouds so I can have them in a jar? She came back from her flight thing and she was like, oh, I had it in my hands and it just slipped out. I almost had it for you though. Why'd you have to lie, Mom? Because then I was jealous that she touched a cloud. You did it! You got a braid! You got some purple in there?
Oh, look at that.
Look at that! You did good.
And it's done.
That's
I used to hate Christmas, and then someone I absolutely, completely love said, I actually really love Christmas. And I was like,
We're breaking up.
You gotta win me over. Gotta show me what Christmas is all about. And then
I showed you the true meaning of
you
Christmas.
showed me the true meaning of Christmas. I had fun with your family.
That was such a rare event, once in a lifetime event.
Yeah.
Looks like my little ornament has a little dress.
That's like a little Christmas scene stuck inside a blizzard.
Not bad.
I like it.
Not bad.
It looks like a sexy ornament, like you put pantyhose on it. I'm not the one sexualizing Christmas over here. Looks like it's gonna start singing to me. Santa baby. I'm gonna make a beach scene. That is an ornament.
Oh, that's got some heft to it.
We both wobble, but don't fall down.
It's just sand.
It's Santa's little getaway thing.
I am gonna figure out. I am gonna figure out how to make this lace stuff work.
Oh no, God!
That's better than the first one. Ay!
It looks like it's about to get married.
Ow! Ah, feel the burn. All right, just don't look too closely and it looks okay. Here it is so far. Please don't make fun of it. It required a lot of burning to make this happen. I'm very sad with how mine are turning out so far. I unleashed all these red beads into the world, thinking I would use them all.
I'm just shoving some snow on my sand.
See those? There's beads. Can I see those? There's beads. There's a little succulent in there. You can't see it very well, but there's little beads on it, like little Christmas lights, like a little dry desert bush, and that's my little desert scene. Oh, just don't touch it at all. Damn it. I have not been taking care of these beads very well. I'm about to ban beads from the crafting table.
But I didn't even get to do anything with them!
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Sorry, am I in your space? Why don't ornaments have to be so circular? It's harder to do stuff.
I'm tying little knots.
Oh, look at mine, it's dead.
Making a little bird's nest up top.
Like a little blue bird nest?
Little blue bird nest.
I'm gonna title my ornaments. I can have names from
Serene Dream. Solstice Surprise.
I call this one First Winter Frost.
First Frost.
With my first frost.
First Frost.
I am just like gluing a massive amount of ribbon around this so that it stays still. Stop it! my desert dream. Here I have some old earrings. There's nothing wrong with them. They're actually really cute. I do like them. It's just I don't know if they're safe to put in your ears. So why risk it?
Ah! I have little dents that are just showing up, and I think it's just because it's melting on me from the hot glue. There's dents like here and here. Yeah, there's just dents all over the place. This might be a trash ball.
I like it so far, though.
You like it?
Yeah, if you don't want to glue the whole thing, maybe just stuff some snow in the bottom.
This is getting really ugly up top.
Honey, even if it doesn't work out the way you want it to, I am happy to have a little deformed ornament.
A little deformament.
Deformament. I feel like I'm gonna actually kind of stab myself.
Oh no, I have to commit now too because it's just, I'm sorry, I wanted to help you, but I'm busy. Ah! Ah! Ah!
You make such crazy faces. You do it. My man's determined now.
I am.
Yay. Oh shit!
Like butter.
Yeah, put it in there. Oh hell yeah! It's dangling! It's gonna look elegant AF.
Is there a way to clean up hot glue?
It's just frosty. It's snowy.
It's frosty and snowy. Ah! Why?
Don't worry about it, baby. It builds character.
I have enough character built already. Look at my life.
There you go. Aww.
If you're not up close, it's cute. You don't look at all of that. It's not bad, you know? Like a little snow, little Christmas tree bits, and little mistletoe. It's like a little basket and another little basket head. Ooh, that almost fits perfectly.
Hey, it almost does.
It's the sand dollar. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Just a little tiny clean dot.
Now you are good.
Thank you.
You are so welcome.
It is. Turn it out. What'd you just do? I have hot glue all over me, but I can't help you.
Just blew inside to get rid of the sand and it went all up in my eyeballs.
What do you think?
Ooh, nice. You like a doublemint stripe.
Honey, it's beautiful.
Oh, you can't really see it that well with those goddamn lights. A little bit of beach debris.
I love it.
I think one is elegant.
Elegant?
Yeah.
Anything more is just trying too hard? Aww, that's beautiful.
Boom. Boom.
You made the beads work.
I made the beads work. And you know what? I made the lace work.
The little lace work.
What did you do?
I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna pour some black beads out when I shouldn't. I'm gonna pour beads everywhere and commit to something that I'm not ready to commit to. You can't even see the pink. Son of a bitch. I committed to the beads when I wasn't ready. I have poured so many beads out everywhere.
Make it nice and hot. Yeah! Stabs right through. You want to pierce something? Just get it real hot. You want to pierce an ear? Get the needle really hot.
That's right. My man wants to have his ear pierced.
Yeah, we're gonna home pierce my ear.
Well, we got the hot flame, we got the needle, we got the hot glue gun.
You got the earrings. You could just go.
Well, the hot glue gun is in case I mess up the first time and we gotta seal it shut and try again. Hey, look at you! You just stabbed it right in there. Close these eyes, shit's gonna go flying. That went like 3 inches away. Hey, that looks kind of neato. Aha!
Neato burrito. Hey, you did good.
Thank you. I have a big old pile of beads I don't know what to do with. It looks kinky. It looks really kinky.
I made a pretty goth. I made the goth one. I was trying to bedazzle.
Bedazzle?
Oh, I'm trying to make it bedazzled.
Here's what we made in 2 hours. This one is called Baby Blue.
Sensual baby blue.
Sensual Baby Blue, okay. This one is called Barely Any Effort. I will probably...
Very any effort.
Thank you, you saved it.
You know, you just gotta try for the puns.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Christmas in Gothic.
This one is called...
Don't shake.
Yeah, this one's called Don't Shake.
Uh...
You can see where it's getting flat.
Mistaken baskets.
Mistaken baskets. This one is Elegance. First frost. That was mine. First frost.
Riptide.
Riptide. This one is still needs work, so
Foggy Beach Night.
Foggy Beach Night.
Foggy Beach Night.
Foggy Beach Night.
I keep wanting to reach for this one because I want to love it. I really want to love it.
For now, this is all we got to show for all our 2 hours of effort. No, keep the kinky one out. No.
Kinky one always goes in the middle. Hey guys, you know what you want to do to me.
We are going to finish the rest, though. I promise. We're going to finish it, and I'm going to try to show it.
Yes, we will.
Thank you for participating. That was supposed to go down farther.
Thank you for watching.
We are done with the ornaments. It's time for show and tell. I did do a few more after I turned the camera off because I just couldn't help myself. How do I say it? The nature edition? The nature category?
Natural selection.
Okay. First, the natural selection category. We have a lot in the natural selection category. There's too many.
Nature's cupcakes.
Aww, that's so cute.
She flickered paint inside and it made it snowy.
Mm-hmm.
Get out of here. Woo! Yeah.
Next is the beach scenes or sand. What is it? What do you call it?
Sand in my shoes collection.
Aw, that's adorable, honey. It's the waves.
You see the waves?
It got a little bit tilted. Oh no.
Yeah, it did.
Oh no.
No.
There we go. Okay.
Yeah, there we go. And then you just do this. And
Tsunami.
now it's a tsunami. I did that one.
Yeah, you did good with that one. You just shoved the sand dollar in there and you're like, hey, it fits.
Yeah, I was like, God damn.
It fits.
It fits. It's perfect.
Wah wah.
Wah wah. Christmas after dark.
Aw, you're so good at this. Can I explain something? Can I explain something before we get judged too harshly?
We both have to explain something.
Mine came out looking more flapper, like 1920s flapper, which is totally fine. And then yours came out looking, well, it's in the bulb, X-rated.
Suckductive.
This one's my favorite between those two. It's not gothic, but it's still super cute. I got something that I didn't even know that I wanted, so. We only did 2. What's this one again? What's the group?
Elegance and class.
Elegance and class. We only did 2 in this one. I want to do more because I like these ones the most.
Mm-hmm.
I made this when you were at work.
And you called it Mr. Steal Your Man.
Yeah, I sent a picture of this to him and I was like, why does it look like my ornament wants to take my man? Don't fall for it, honey. She's only here for a season.
Granny Selection Collection coming up.
Look how cute they all are. All the little grannies.
Edith, Pearl, and Jean. She needs to lose a little bit of weight. Look, she's splitting the back a little bit, but...
How dare you?
Oh my, I'll never. And this one's just holiday fun.
Aww. There's like no magic in that.
Santa, it's letters to Santa. I don't think there's magic. Yeah, you did it.
By myself.
You are very creative.
Yeah, see, it says North Pole, and there's a little flag. It's a flag, okay?
That's cute.
And then all these little letters. There's a bunch of letters in here, and if you look closely, you can see that I actually scribbled on the backs of them, and then I put a little envelope look on the front of them.
And this one is the Gingerbread Massacre of 1954.
It looks so beautiful! All I want for Christmas is ornaments. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.